Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make fried chicken, and I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce on it today. So I'm making light fried chicken with barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna add some baked macaroni and cheese. This is my cheese from the macaroni. I'm gonna mix my macaroni today with mixed vegetable. So I'm gonna add, these are my macaroni. So I'm gonna add macaroni and cheese with mixed vegetable inside of it. Just water already on the fire. I'm gonna add a little salt on it. My chicken I've already seasoned and ready. So guys, how you doing? I hope everybody's well. Everybody stay safe. And this is my flour who I'm gonna dip my chicken into. This is my chicken. It's already seasoned already. I like my chicken to be seasoned. So this is my chicken. My oil is hot. I'm gonna start dip the chicken inside of it. One. You can see the oil boiling. Yes, the oil is really hot. My chicken will have the bone in it. I try to make it soak properly. I leave it, make it soak for a good little while. That's what I do. So this what I'm gonna have today is fried chicken with baked macaroni and cheese and mixed vegetable inside of it. You will see it's going to taste really good. So this is my chicken. I'm putting inside the fryer. Water bucket, some water bucket that I use. Try to get as much as chicken inside the fryer. And this is what I'm doing. So you will see the result, because I'm gonna add some barbecue. After I finish fry all the chicken, I'm gonna put them in the baking tin. I'm gonna put them in the oven with some light barbecue sauce on it, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to do. My fryer is on 400. So I'll leave that now let it fry. I'm gonna have the mixed vegetable in the pot. This is a really nice fryer, so that's all the chicken I'm putting inside. I'll leave that one for a while, and I'm gonna cover it up. That's it. Get my hand clean off. Then I'm gonna have the mixed vegetable inside the pot. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm watching about the plate with the flour splash. This one mixed vegetable, I'm going to open it. I'm going to have the whole pot inside. So that's my mixed vegetable. The flour still on the stove. I'm cleaning it off black. And this all my macaroni and cheese. I'll leave that for a while. Wait, don't put that hard. I'm going to take all the cheese of the macaroni. That means I don't pour it inside the pot. Put them on this one. So I'm going to bake 3 macaroni and cheese today. So that's my macaroni chicken. That's my macaroni all open, and that's it. So you will see all of it in the next few minutes.